Okay, it looks like it's picked up a little.
This is our house. No, but we had been in Wichita Falls and lost our home in a tornado, so we're okay. My brother's an OU graduate, and he did his master's there too.
They're all pretty much. They're all pretty much.
They've already got like 20 foot.
Yeah, all the ones.
Okay, it's 3:15 in the morning. The eye of the storm hasn't got here yet, but it's just past Galveston. And you can kind of hear the sound of the rain and stuff on the walls, but we noticed that in here you get a better idea of what it sounds like. Up here, I think, is where you can hear the roar. I'm actually in our attic. Okay, here's the kitchen door where the wind is blowing right at us right now, if you want the direction of the wind blowing on this side of the house. And I don't know if we can see it, but the rain is driving into, there it is, you saw it, you should have seen it drip right there. And the rain is being driven into the doorknob and then dripping out of the doorknob on this side and going down where we got the towels going here. Yeah, you can see the water. I think we can see the water forming at the bottom of the doorknob. That one on the left is really leaning. I'm not sure we'll be able to push it back or not. Okay, we're going to go on a quick little run now we got daylight, and without getting in anybody's way.
Turn around and go the other way. This is concrete, so this fence made it just fine.
This fence was just fine. Well, except for the little
Well, that would be the
spot in the middle. That's probably a gate.
Oh,
or
the
something.
concrete fell in.
No, yeah, it did.
Yeah, that's concrete.
It actually pulled down the concrete there.
Sure did. Oh yeah.
Let me size another. Okay, this is. Yeah, this neighborhood with the big trees is taking some serious damage here. These are in the road. Wow. Holy moly, this
area got hit. These trees.
Here's the only hill in the area. It's an overpass for the railroad. And right now it's serving a wonderful purpose. It has become, as we top the rise, it has become the cell phone village. People can come here, find a place to park, and they get just enough cell phone signal to either call or text. And that's how we managed to get some messages out finally. You cannot get a signal down there on the
That's why everybody's up here talking. That was cute.